All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're still knee deep in the process of building our Super Mario Brothers or walkthrough or automated walkthrough. And let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, unfortunately, I am still having an issue with the Google Colab version of the code. It still ran, but when I try to implement this new step here that we're going to be implementing, I'm running into issues. Like I said, it is because I am working on two different sets of codes. The code that I got to work is a separate code that the actual code is written on. So that the second phase of the code is actually based on the code that I don't have working. I have my version working, so I have to figure out how to actually get the second part of the code fitted and formatted to my version of the code so I can get it to run. What we're going to be doing in the second step is we want to break down our actual gameplay into frames. Let me show you what it looks like over here. I can still open it up for you. So I got kind of nervous, so I actually opened it up and I went back to yesterday to make sure I can still actually access our environment and run our game. We still can, as you can see, it's here. Don't be alarmed by the red. This is just stop. That's why it's like that. So it looks like this. I just have the program stop. It can still run. I ran it previously before starting the video, so everything is still good. This is the issue we're having here. We're actually trying to break it down now that we want to instead of having our model train on painted images or three channel images, which are colored images. We want to break it down into a one channel image or a black and white image that'll make it easier for our model to learn and train on, because there's so much more information in the colored pixels that the model will have to learn about all the color pixels and then all the information that comes along with that. So it'll be a lot easier for our model to just reduce our images to black and white images and train the model on that, and then stack those images on top of each other and then have those trained like that. It's a whole process. Like I said, I don't want to really get into it before I actually have it working and implement it, so I can actually walk you through it and show you what I'm doing. But yeah, so that's the second phase we're trying to implement. Like I said, the issue we're having is the initial code that we have didn't work, of course, so I had to re-engineer and remodify it to get it working for us. Now there's a second phase to that deprecated code that we have to try to modify also to fit to the code that we actually got working. So that's where we're at with it. I haven't cracked that part of the code yet, and I'm still working on it. Like I said, I've been doing this for a few hours now. We're just working on this. I may sound a little tired in the voice. That's because I've been working on it for a few hours, like I said. So yeah, uh, but of course, it's going to be full speed ahead, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.